minsan iisip ko na din na, what if kapag alis ako, dadalhin ko na din ng hotel? Sagutin ko lang issue ba kasi kapag aalis ako.
Wie er sollte. Der hört überhaupt nicht. Hört he like you?
These skies have a different light, why noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you.
Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's me, Oliver Cagas. Wait lang ha, kasi may ginawa pa ako sa ano ko. So for today's video, we're going to Bad Berleborg with Joey and Andy. Hi! Say to ka guys.
Hello guys.
And Andy oh. Ayan.
Andy.
So come Andy there. Game ada.
Andy.
Ja.
Andy hier. Hopp. Los geht's. Jawohl.
Wow!
Fein. So, Achtung, Kopf.
So, kasi nagyaya po si Joey. He wants to go to other city na malapit lang daw dito para mas, sabi pa niya, para daw makapag-vlog kami, ipakita daw namin sa inyo ka guys, sabi ni Joey. And then I said, okay, let's go. Why not coconut?
You can open the window if you want.
Yeah, I think I'm going to open it.
But you have then whoosh, windy. Oh, you know.
Open now. Wait, ain't it good? And so Andy, Andy, look at here. Andy.
Andy's chilling.
So we're going now.
So, Bad Berleburg. Schloss Berleburg. 19 minutes.
Yeah, 19 minutes. That's
Good.
correct. So anyway, ngayon kasi wala akong check-in. So mabuti na wala tayong check-in para hindi tayo magmamadali. At saka kung may check-in kasi ako ngayon, hindi ako aalis ng hotel. Kasi po may check-in man pero wala kasi. And then sinabihan ko na din po si Uwe at saka si Egbert na alis kami. Then they are very happy. Sabi niya, oh sige, go Oliver. Sabi niya, kasi daw, nagbumukbok lang daw ako sa bahay. I mean, alam nila na naboboard na ako kasi palagi ako sa bahay. Hindi na ako maalis-alis. Minsan lang ako maalis. But ngayon na sinabihan ko na magyaya si Joey. Nag-home office kasi yan siya. Sabi niya, go with Joey. So para ma-explore niyo po yung ano. Sabi niya, life is short. Explore it. Go to the world. No, life is short. Explore the world. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Ist das Kuya Howie? Nee. So nein.
Stimmt, sah ein bisschen so aus.
No. It looks like Kuya Howie yung kanina doon. So sabi niya, explore the world. Bata ka pa and enjoy it.
Explore the world, go out, but it's okay if you want to play PlayStation or Xbox. Sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah, but still, you need to explore the world because life is short and there's a lot of beautiful city world or beautiful beautiful scenery out there. You just need to explore it.
Or follow us on
Good,
YouTube, then you can also discover the world with us.
Links.
Yeah, I need to bremsen.
So now, ngayon,
Ngayon,
kasi marami naman magsasabi sa akin guys kasi nag-alala din po ako ba kasi hindi naman ako masyadong nag-alala no kasi I know myself. Alam, bakit skip ulit sa'yo? Skip ulit sa'yo. Alam ko kung sino kasama ko sa bahay, sila Uwe, si Egbert, si Andy. And sabi kasi nila na bakit daw palagi ako umaalis. So, Oliver, alis ka ng alis. Nakatsera daw ako siya. Hala ko siya, nandito lang ako sa malapit-lapit, nakatsera agad. And then, sabi nila, iniiwan ko daw ang hotel. Sabi nila dapat daw magpakitang gilas ako sa mga daddy ko. So palagi lang ako napakitang gilas. Sa 7 years ko na dito sa Germany, magpaano ba? Kasi kapag magpakitang gilas ka, it looks like it's a fake. Dapat kung ano ka, ipakita mo kung ano ka para doon ka mahalin. Hindi yung nagpapakitang tao ka lang para mahalin ka nila. No, like that. Dapat pakita mo kung sino ka kasi they will love you, your flows. They will love you, who you are, your honesty, your kung minsan tamad tayo, they love you. Ano tayo yung sigasig, they will love you, gano'n, diba? Kasi nga, no one is perfect. At saka, sabi nila nga, ano, lakad daw ng lakad, walang naiwan sa hotel, ipinaiwan niya sa akin para magbantay. Uy, kami din kagas no, nandito sila Ubit sa Egbert, aalis nga din kami, tapos i-close lang ang hotel. Hindi naman ako alis ko kung meron kaming guest, for example. Aalis ako kasi pag walang guest, no? Kasi kapag may guest, andun din naman talaga ako.
I don't understand anything.
Yeah, you don't understand, just listen. So ngayon, minsan iisip ko na din na, what if kapag aalis ako, dadalhin ko na din ang hotel? Sagutin ko lang issue ba, kasi kapag aalis ako, may mag-comment talaga na lakad ka ng lakad, alis ka ng alis. Sabi ko, ha? Sinabihan ko na sila Ubit Ibig niyan, sabi niya, no. Sabi din ng dalawang tatay ko, huwag mo na intindihin yan sila, ignore mo na sila kasi hindi naman sila kasama natin sa buhay at sa bahay. Kung yan ang sabi nila, let them be. Pakita mo sa kanila na kung ano ka, yun na. Kung if they will not accept you, then fine. If they will accept you, then also fine, di ba? Sabi nila, kaya natawa din sila nung sinabihan ko yung mga tatay ko about doon. Sabi nila, ma-enjoy nga ako, Oliver, kapag aalis ka or diyan, magkasama mo si Andy, si Joey, para hindi ka mabuboard. Look at your hair, look here. It's getting bigger, no?
Yeah.
Your pimple, no?
And it's very stressful with Ollie.
Uy! Meron siyang ano dito po, pimple.
Kannst du aufhören, das in jedem Vlog zu zeigen und zu sagen? Mein Gott.
So nagdala din ako ng tubig for Andy. I bring water for Andy, no? So maybe later he will
You have a water bottle or not?
Thirsty.
You have a water bottle for him or not?
I have here.
Oh.
So
I need to say in Google there's a message, the castle where we are going is closed.
it's okay. We can walk there.
Okay.
Just explore the Bad Ballingborg. Okay?
Okay.
Wow. I like this. I like the way to Bad Ballingborg. It's very beautiful. You know. Hi guys, we are now in Bad Ballingborg. Ayan, malapit na po to sa amin. It's like 15 minutes a drive. Pwede din kayong mag-bicycle.
20 minutes.
Pwede kayong mag-bicycle. Pwede din kayong mag-walking hanggang darating kayo dito kung gusto nyo lang. Walang mag-ano sa inyo. So, this is the castle. Castle, no? The owner of this castle is the city. So I'll make cinematic vlogs. This is Joey, the new owner of Joey Renninghoff, the new owner of this castle. So how much did you buy it? How much did you pay?
1 million euro.
1 million euro, okay, not bad.
He's just kidding, it's not my castle.
It's not my castle. Okay, here, wow.
Maybe your new subscribers believe this.
It's very beautiful.
Say more, wow. Wow.
Wow, castle.
Castle.
You don't want to walk there?
Yeah, let's go.
Just walk. Ayan, nagpalitan po kami ni Andy kasi kanina tapos na siya nag-vlog. Palitan kami para makapag-vlog kaming dalawa. So ngayon, kapag matapos ako dito, ako na magbitbit kay Andy. Ganun yun. Ganun. Wow. Ich denke, es gibt eine Straße hier, eine kleine Straße da, kann man da ankratzen direkt. You know? Wo ist das denn hier? Wishing Well?
Here's a cinematic vlog.
Wow! There's a fishes! Wow! Koi! Mga koi! No! Das ist dirty! Das kann man nicht! Nein! So how... Do you like...
This dog! He's so stressful.
I thought you will bring Andy and now Andy bring you. That's the two difference.
Du mich auch.
Du mich auch.
Andy! Komm mal her.
Oh, guck mal, es gibt auch... Da.
Ja, ganz toll.
So, do you like here?
Noch more stress.
Do you like here?
I like
The
this
park?
place, I like the park. I like you.
I like you.
And I like a little bit Andy.
A little bit, Andy.
Wow, guck mal da.
Oh.
Can I say cool in English?
Yeah, cool.
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 That's like in German.
Yeah.
German say cool for wow.
But you like here, it's because there's a lot of trees. That's why it's very fresh.
Yeah, I want to make a sport flag here. I want to run here with Andy with a sport mode and with my gimbal for cinematic.
Yeah, you can do it.
I want to try it. But I need 2 arms and I have 1 dog and I need 3 arms for this dog. You know?
You need 4. I'm also.
Okay. What is this for a thing?
This one,
For horse?
this for the horses. If they want to make ubong exercises
Yeah,
for the horse,
training.
train here,
Andy.
so they can do it. So it's more beautiful here, the park. This is a very good place to walk with your kid, your family, and yeah.
Ollie.
It's because it's very fresh here. You know, look, the air, the wind.
A little bit windy, yeah, that's
Perfect. What's happening to you and Andy? Oh, look.
Andy, hier. Komm mal hier.
Come zurück.
Hier kommt der Hund. Wie sagt Uwe immer, hier geht der Hund, hier kommt der Hund. Hier macht der Hund.
Tingnan niyo si Andy, hindi talaga nakikinig. Pero okay lang yan.
No, that's wrong. That's wrong.
Look, tingnan niyo po.
Yes, it's right.
Wow, it's great. You're so... Oh.
He thinks he's stronger than me, but he is not right.
But you make... Come, let's go there. I'll bring Andy now.
You will.
Joey, riding off. Wish, I love your t-shirt.
Yeah, why you don't wear it?
Because I
bought the
saw
same
the
for you.
yellow. Yeah, you give me, no? Thank you so much.
Yeah, but you never wear it.
Wow! Together with Andy and Joey. Ito po ay wall. Wall na po ito ng castle. Yung nakikita natin kanina, no? Ito ay sa likod. Where are we going? In this direction? Or
Oh, here, runter.
here in this Ronta? Ronta? Okay. Then go there. Wow, Joey and Andy. Foos. Wow, Andy is listening to you, no? He's a
Das ist keine Bahnrad.
cannibal. He don't have a choice. Andy's listening to you. Maybe you need to bring Andy in Niedernhausen, so he will meet Cookie.
How long?
So,
Right or left?
oh my God, maybe we're in the wrong turn.
This is
Maybe
Sophie's
we go there.
decision.
We go there.
This is Sophie's decision.
What? Very professional. Wow, tingnan niyo po yung mga ang laki-laki na ano kagis, no? Buyag-buyag ba, oh? Ng mga trees, puno. Puno ng kahoy, oh, mga kahoy ba? Laki-laki, no? Ito, oh. Laki ba, oh? Buyag. At maganda lang na kasi napapreserve nila ba, hindi nila pinuputol, no? Kasi kung naputol to, sayang, hindi na siya, ano na dito, mainit na to kung pinutol to. Kasi po ang kahoy po nakakadala, nakaganda ng tanawin at saka nakaka-fresh. Para hindi siya, kung mainit man ay malamig pa rin sa ilalim ng punong kahoy. Kaya wag po kayo magputol ng kahoy, please. Para hindi na mag-climate change, no? Kasi kung ano man ang ginawa natin sa kalikasan, ay babalik din sa atin ang ginawa natin sa kalikasan. Mag-ano yun sila, mag-vengeance. Nee, bitte. Das ist Fischpfand. Let's give the fish. Wow. Do you want to make a vlog?
Ja, bitte, wenn ich darf.
Wenn ich darf.
Nein, denk nicht mal dran.
So, left side.
Und dann Fuß.
Here is the very beautiful, no? Look. There's no dirty, there's no plastic. Clean and green. Here there's no plastic. You know who is the plastic? Me.
I don't think so.
This is rhododendron. 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 Hallo.
Folgt doch nicht so, wie er sollte.
Der hört überhaupt nicht.
Ja. Bei dem Wetter sieht man nicht, ich bin so warm.
Yeah. I think I will. But as you can see, there's no a lot of people.
Ja.
No.
Yeah,
There's
because
little.
it's a working day. We have Thursday.
Okay, they're still in the work.
Tuesday.
But later at 5 p.m., 4 to 5 p.m.
Yeah,
From 4 p.m. you can see a lot of people.
I think so. Yeah, it's early in the middle of the day.
That's why it's very quiet and it's good for your health. In
Yeah,
your
good for your
emotion.
health with this dog.
If you want to make a decision in your life, you just go here before you're making your decision. So here you can think what is the best, you know? Yeah, if you make a decision in your life, you need to go in the park or in the mountain so you can think a lot what to do and what is the best for you and your family and the surroundings and the environment and the people around you.
Okay, chill, bro. Just by the way, the battery is red here, blinking.
Let's turn it off.
Joey to this, Joey to das.
Wow, Joey. There's a lot of fishes there ka guys at saka marami rin mga patodak. Kaya ang nangyari sa patodak, kinakain nila yung maliliit na isda. Nature kasi 'di ba nature. Tsaka si Andy naman is looking, is watching the patodak. He wants to play with the patodak but he cannot play it because Joey is watching there. Joey is watching them. Protection. And very beautiful park. Joey, I want to ask you, which one is beautiful park, here or in your park, in your area?
My area.
Okay. But
No, just kidding.
but in your area, there's no pond or like water, lake. It's just a park, normal park.
Yeah, just grass.
Yeah, here you can see water in the middle of the park.
We have also a little bit water, but not like this. In the Kurpark is also water. You can get a ship and paddle.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
But I think
There's no canoeing there, canoe?
Yeah, das Tretboot, also
Ah, okay. So that's not canoeing.
nee, not Kanu, aber these romantic boats.
Tingnan nyo ako, oh, may pimple ako to. Laki-laki ng pimple na to. Yeah.
Yeah,
Very big pimple because of the stress from you.
yeah, I can go back home tomorrow.
I said, stress from you, and then I said, I go back home tomorrow. So, this is very beautiful because it's clean and green. And the wind is so fresh. You can smell, you can smell the fresh air from the trees and the water, no? And there's no air pollution here, right? There's no air pollution. You can smell the flowers. Guys, binigyan ko po ng tubig sa Andy. Ayun yung uminom ng tubig. Nagdala pa naman ako ng tubig. Ito, oh. You know.
Trink mal was,
Here.
bitte. Trink du auch mal
Alles
was.
gut.
Ja.
I haven't made my vlog here.
Olli ist so ein Dummbabbler.
But I want to show the guys, the fishes here. It's very big. Tingnan nyo, oh. Yan, isda po yan. Ayan, oh. Oh. Laki-laki na isda dito, oh. Nasa ano lang siya, oh. Nasa daan. Ang fish pan dito, nasa daan lang siya. Dito, daanan to ng mga tao. Dito yung isda, oh. No? Sa atin pa to, wala na yan. Sinugban na namin ikaw. Ayan, oh. Oh, laki-laki, oh. Hala, ay. Hala, ang laki. Ang laki, no. Buyag-buyag ba? Mabuti, lumaki kayo at hindi kayo nakain ng mga patodak. Kasi kung nakain kayo, hindi kayo lalaki dito. Dami ba, oh? Yun, wow. Wow, the fishes. Lolo, nagtapukanay sila. Akala nila na yung pagkain. Ako lang, nagpuntahan talaga sa akin, oh. They think that I have some food for them. Look. They come to me. My God. I don't have food for you guys.
Die glauben wirklich, dass du Food hast.
Yeah, I don't have food for you guys. Sorry. I don't have food for you. Because they are coming to me. Or we're coming for me.
Die denken, sie werden gefüttert jetzt.
Yeah, they think that I have some food for them, but I'm here to catch you.
Wow, das
No.
ist aber große Fischi.
It's a gross luck. Wow. And look at the middle.
Hm.
Wow, my God, someone is vlogging. Look,
Someone?
someone is vlogging with a camera here. Hi, hello. Look, guck mal.
Zurück. Zurück.
Wow, look. The very beautiful pond. Ayan, oh. At doon may island pala doon, oh. One island in the middle. Wow. And Joey and Andy is here. It's there. Oh, wow. So let's go there.
Praktisch, gell?
Yeah. Praktisch, gell?
Andi, jetzt reiß dich mal zusammen.
Andy, what are you looking?
First mal gesehen.
Look.
Ich muss ihm echt Benehmen beibringen, weil sonst... Das macht keinen Spaß. It's not funny.
So, in links, the knock.
Links?
Yeah.
Okay. For the friends and car guys, we go left side.
Left side, left.
Hallo. Kommt wieder was.
Nein, das ist nicht gut.
Nicht gut?
Ja.
Warum?
Ist nicht gut. Das Wasser ist dirty.
Dirty like you.
Mhm.
Oh, I like the hills here in this area.
Yeah. So we can go there, links. So links. Wow.
Ja, guck mal auch bei mir. Schatz.
Ako, napagod. Naano ako, tinayo, brown na. Bilis ng brown. My color now is brown.
Yeah,
Which
Sure.
one is browner? Browner.
I think it's a little bit me.
A little bit.
I think Andy won.
But you, yeah?
Huh?
You are browner? Browner.
A little bit, yeah.
A little bit. No, you.
Yeah, I'm browner.
Yeah. It's another manic Monday. So, ngayon, maglakad na kami papunta sa taas, doon sa Castle, kung saan kami nakapark malapit. Para babalik na kami na area kung saan kami dapat na pupunta. And the two guys, I'm learning from the very professional.
So, Andy,
Ah, Gott sei Dank, here is fresh. And now here is fresh,
who
guys.
is here? Live.
So you need to speak some. Eh?
Huh? Oh, you make vlog? Okay. I need to say something. Something.
We are in the outside of the castle now.
Yeah.
We were there, and now we were there. We were there.
Yeah. Can we go inside the castle?
No,
Why? It's closed. Oh.
because it's still Baustelle.
Ah, working station.
Still in the. They're still in renovation. They're still renovating the castle.
Yeah.
Inside.
And what's into the castle?
Only-
Normally?
I don't know.
Oh, then we need to find out soon.
What is that?
Bird tree, I think. I don't know. What we will do now, Oli?
We are going to your car and let's go back home.
Okay. Go back home because
But-
you have a hotel guest, spontaneous.
Yeah, spontaneous, the book today. And Ugbert called me, Oliver, are you still in Bad Billeberg? I said, yeah. Why? Because we have a guest from yesterday. I have a guest from yesterday, no? Then they want to check in again.
Yeah, because it was so fantastic hotel.
And, yeah, and
Berghaus
so
71.
friendly stuff.
Yeah.
Like, so now...
Did you get tips from him?
No. And now...
Then we cancel the booking.
And I said, okay, maybe we can go back home after 1 hour, after an hour. He said, it's okay, the man will come back, I will go. Well, check in later, no? And it's okay, just enjoy your excursion here. So, please, show it to Kavis the park there. I haven't show. And now it's your turn. Dankeschön. Thank you.
Only so friendly.
You're so friendly in the camera.
Do you know this China restaurant Reich der Mitte? We was here
We were
to make a party for your adoption.
Yeah, we were here.
No, not for your adoption, for your integration in Germany.
Yeah.
I will show car guys this water jump. Water jump, is this a word? Yeah, but don't make him wet, because then he needs to clean for my car.
Okay, then let's go. Look here. Beautiful, oder?
Very beautiful. Yeah, I know this. Ihr wart da schon, gell?
So guys, I want to tell you something. That is a Poseidon Greek restaurant. The owner of that is our friends.
Ah,
There. And if we eat there, they give me some extra, you know.
let's go.
No, it's closed.
Oh.
And the food there is very sensational. So let's go in your car.
Let's go back
But
home.
wait a minute because there's a cafe mainit. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Jesus. So today we are going back home, and yeah, that's it for today. And I hope you like it.
Wo ist mein versprochenes Eis?
Oh, if you like this video, please like this. Please like and share it to your friends so that they can see Germany. Okay, please share it to your friends and family so we can get a lot of views. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And if you have a lot of devices there that you are not using, just play my vlog. That's all. If you have Wi-Fi, then you have extra cell phone or gadgets, just play my 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 vlogs and also vlog of Joey, so you cannot skip the ads. So now, wing wing wee wee wee. Joey, are you happy today? Do you like it?
I didn't get my ice cream.
What? We can buy in Badlaas pa. Badlaas pa. But maybe
we don't need. I'm on diet.
You're on diet. I think it's new for me to hear it. So guys, I'm going to end this vlog. Sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa vlog natin today kasi si Andy and Joey, they enjoyed a lot today, no?
Yes.
Thank you, Oliver, that you drive me here.
Thank you, Joey, for having fun with Andy, for hold the camera, for driving me with your car, with your gas.
Okay, bye-bye. Stay safe. This has been Oliver Cagas and Dan. And Joey also.
Bye-bye.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.